Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to recover your lost passwords. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to recover your lost password, you can simply go and tap open any of the site. So once you open any of the site and type in your credentials to open, like your number or email, and hit the continue button, you will be leaded to this kind of interface where you need to simply type in your password. Now if you want to recover your lost password as you have forgotten that, you can tap on forgot password. After this, you can simply send a password assistant, and a unique code or link will be sent to your email address linked with that particular account. Now, you have simply gotten a website link or code in your email. So simply tap on the option where you can find reset password. Simply tap on it, and by doing this, you can simply change the password and recover your lost account. So this is how you can recover your lost passwords and get access to your account as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.